Back forecast Intraday Strategies for beginner traders. October 6th, the US dollar remains under pressure. The premium article will be available in 000006.10.2025821 AM. The premium article will be available in 000006.10.2025821 AM. The US dollar remains under pressure. The main reasons for its weakness include disappointing economic data and the ongoing government shutdown in the US since mid-last week. The decline of the ISM Services PMI to the critical 50-point level caused concern among market participants. However, the market appeared to anticipate such a slowdown, further reinforcing expectations of upcoming monetary policy easing from the Federal Reserve. With the ISM index hovering near contraction territory, the trend of weakening economic growth is becoming fresh. Articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get